Hey, this is Eugene, and today we're going to talk about the industry that suffered the most, and specifically about the travel industry and car rental companies. So I know a lot of people like me are looking to place their bids for the companies that are well known on the market, the leaders, Hertz and car Aviz. They suffered really a lot during this crisis. You can see on the left side Hertz, on the right side car Aviz. These are the tickers, how you can find them on the stock exchange, car and HTZ. So Hertz, they fell the most during this crisis, 84%, and then right now it's trading around minus 83, so it's almost at the flattish zone. And car fell even more. It fell 87% from its highs, and right now it's trading minus 79, so it recuperated some gains. Of course the recuperation was higher, but that's basically day to date after 1 month of the crisis. So if you take and if you want to consider which one would you want to buy, here is the thing I'm following and I keep in mind the moment I will put my bid on one of those. So I think we should concentrate on this one, and let me explain why it's more interesting. So first of all, you can see the static information about their financials. So pretty much it's the same companies. So you see they have pretty much the same amount of employees. Right now I'm pretty sure that a lot of people were fired and they have to find their job. Pity for that. At the same time, at the sales, so their revenues is pretty much the same, so almost the same. Market cap is actually higher from Aviz, but that's not so important. What is more important is their income. So you see that these guys, with the same amount of sales, they generate loss. However, car, from pretty much even lower amount, they generate positive income, 302 millions. So it seems that they are able to operate better based on their processes, based on their conditions and everything else. They are much more interesting business from the business point of view than Hertz, if you consider it for the midterm or long-term investment. Now let's go to the chart. So you see Hertz over here, Aviz over here. So this one is a long term, this one is a short term, same principle over here. So first what I see is that actually Hertz, they only started to trade as of 2016, and you see basically it fell up to the very low level, then it bounced back a bit, then let's say flattish overall range from this period of time, and then the crisis, and right now it's trading very low. Maybe let's go in the short term. So it fell, then it bounced, and then again and again. So it broke one support level, another support level, and right now it's reaching the initial break crash level, the all-time low. So, and with this kind of a trend, I can say most probably it's gonna fall. And right now there are no levels from the previous long-term chart, which means that we have a very good chance to fall, I don't know, $2, $1 or something like this from the $3 that we have today. On Aviz, on the other side, the company is really long on the market for a long period of time. I was not even born and Aviz was already there. So it seems that during this period of time they were able to put, you see it's a really volatile chart overall, and especially the last one. So it's going from 55 bucks up to something like 11 right now. However, as I showed previously, it seems that during this period of time company made a very good operational business, and from a business point of view it's more interesting. Here as well, technically speaking, it already has those levels on 318, 467. It's a really historical level, so you can expect that if it falls down it will fall over there. However, even right now, so you see the crash which happened here, it fell here and it formed two levels. So this one is broken, and right now we are reaching this one, and could be a very high chance that we will actually bounce back from here and then recuperate, or we will have chance to do it from this side. So taking that into account, I would say that Aviz is looking a little bit more interesting for especially midterm or long-term buying rather than Hertz. Again, this is a really private opinion. You can have different parameters and different types of analysis, and let me know in the comments if you share my point of view or if you have any interest in other ideas how you make your analysis. That's it for now. Thanks.